Looking for a natural way to unwind and drift off peacefully? Meet Nature's Lab Valerian Root 500 milligrams, a premium herbal supplement designed to support relaxation and help you take 2 capsules about 30 minutes before bedtime and let Nature's Lab help you settle into your evening routine. It's an easy, natural way to promote calm and support meaningful sleep. Nature's Lab Valerian Root. Pure, potent, peaceful nights. Achieve restful sleep. Each capsule delivers 200 milligrams of Organic Valerian Root Extract, standardized at 4:1, plus 50 milligrams of Organic Valerian Root Powder. That's 500 milligrams per 2 capsule serving, expertly formulated to calm your mind and soothe anxious thoughts. Crafted in a cGMP certified facility in Nevada with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, these vegetarian capsules are non-GMO project verified, gluten-free, kosher, and halal certified, so you know what's inside is pure and safe. We duo test each batch for quality, consistency, and potency, and back every bottle with third-party lab verification, so you can trust exactly what you're putting into your body.